I'm preparing for a webinar, right? It's a Coffee with Ben webinar. Have you ever been in one of those? Informal session with other home inspectors, and we talk about marketing and business and websites and SEO. And I came across an article here from Inspector Website Builder, and that's InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs. And I thought I'd share it with you by going over the article because it's really good information. And if you wanted to join us for the webinar, Coffee with Ben, informal coaching session with other inspectors, and we're going to talk about Google reviews and SEO, just like this article. So go to nachi.org/webinars and register for the webinar and check out this information. And the article is From Zero to Hero, How Google Reviews Transform Home Inspection Businesses. And this is written and provided by InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs, which is critically important to a home inspection business. You got to have a really good website, and your designer's got to put in those Google reviews and that SEO. And so it was a really good article, and I wanted to share it with you. And we're going to be talking about it during the webinar as well. How Google Reviews Transform Home Inspection Businesses. And it goes, welcome to the digital era, where online reviews hold the key to a successful business. As a home inspector, harnessing the power of Google reviews can significantly impact your online visibility and attract a stream of potential clients. And so this article, written by InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs, and that's inspectorwebsitebuilder.com. The article delves into the importance of Google reviews and how they can boost your inspection business's online presence, focusing on location-based SEO. So picture this. A prospective client in Houston, Texas is searching for a trustworthy home inspector nearby. They enter home inspector in Houston in Google, right? And the search engine works its magic, considering various factors to display the most relevant results. One crucial factor is prominence, which is heavily influenced by online reviews and ratings. A strong presence of positive Google reviews can catapult your inspection business to the top of search results, catching the eyes of potential clients in your target location. Now, let's dive into 3 pillars of why Google reviews are essential for your home inspection business. There's 3 of them. 1, establishing trust and credibility. Building trust is paramount in our line of work as home inspectors, and Google reviews provide the social proof potential clients seek. By showcasing positive reviews from satisfied clients, you can instill confidence and credibility, making it more likely for clients to choose your services over your competitors. Number 2, boosting search engine visibility. Climbing the search engine ladder is vital, and Google reviews can give you a significant lift. Accumulating positive reviews improves your chances of appearing at the top section of search results, connecting you with customers within your service area. Number 3, enhancing local SEO. Targeting your local audience effectively is the key to success, and Google reviews play an important role here. Strengthening your local SEO efforts through customer reviews increases your visibility to potential clients searching for home inspection services in your local area. To maximize the impact of Google reviews, here's a pro tip. Remember to ask for a Google review after every single home inspection you perform. This is a simple practice and can make a world of difference in boosting your online reputation and attracting more clients. In the competitive landscape of home inspection services, leveraging Google reviews can be a game changer. By prioritizing your online reputation and encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews, you can bolster your credibility, elevate your search engine ranking, and attract more traffic to your website. At Inspector Website Builder, that's InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs, and they work only for InterNACHI members exclusively. Understanding the significance of Google reviews for home inspectors, they're there to assist you in building an inspector website that's effectively showcasing your positive Google reviews, driving success in your local market. I really enjoyed that article, From Zero to Hero, How Google Reviews Transform Home Inspection Businesses. So I wanted you to know that we're going to be having a coffee talk. It's called Coffee with Ben. I'm Ben Gromicko from Internachi. It's a free online informal session. We gather together and we go over a few things. It's September 4th, 2023. Go to natchi.org/webinars and register for the Coffee Talk webinar. Stay safe out there. Do well with your inspection business and get some SEO ranking. See ya. Bye.